This is the day 17 of our 40-day series where we'll be analyzing
40 plus projects across North Bangalore. Hi, I'm Anshika from PropSoch and welcome to PropScope, our brand new series that is going to change how you look at Bangalore real estate. Over the next 40 days, we are going to deep dive into 40 projects in North Bangalore and give you all the facts with no marketing jargons. So subscribe us to not miss out on our journey.
And today we are scoping Brigade Eternia by Brigade Group. It sits on a 13.64 acres of land parcel in Yelahanka. The project offers 6 different typologies ranging from 1 to 4 BHK units that cover 700 to over 2,800 square. It comprises a total of 1,124 units across 12 towers, each rising 13 floor size, which is making it a mid-rise development. With a density of 92 units per acre, the project offers 76% open space, which is above than the market average of 70%. The project offers 35,000 square feet of clubhouse with multiple sports and lifestyle facilities that includes a pet park, amphitheater, swimming pool, gym, library, sauna, supermarket, pharmacy, and other sports facilities like basketball, badminton, football grounds, squash, running track, and even skating court. So location is everything in real estate. So now let's talk about the connectivity picture. Brigade Eternia sits on 37-meter approach road in well-established Yelahanka corridor. Your daily metro commute options include Yelahanka metro station, which is roughly 2.8 kilometers. That covers approx 10 minutes by road. The railway connectivity comes from Yelahanka Junction railway station, which is again approx 2.9 or 3 kilometers. For frequent air travelers, Kempegowda International Airport is approx 28 kilometers, which is roughly 50-55 minutes by road. Multiple metro alternative includes your Jakkur Cross at 4 kilometers and Baglur Cross at approx 5 to 6 kilometers by road. The project sits strategically in North Bangalore's well-established Yelahanka corridor, which is known for its expansive green space, excellent connectivity, and established infrastructure. The location is making it ideal for families who are seeking a balance between urban lifestyle and suburban comfort. Now, let's talk about what actually the legal status is looking like. So, Brigade Eternia has secured all 7 legal approvals by RERA. That includes your height NOC, fire NOC, development plan, building plan, khatas, among others. To view the complete list of documents, comment PropScope and we'll share the link with you. Now here's where your wallet comes into play. So pricing stands at 15,600 rupees per square feet, while Yelahanka's average micro market sits at approx 10,200 rupees per square feet. It is slightly above than the market average. Unit prices spans from 1.1 to 4.45 CR. But remember, registration and statutory charges are additional. Lastly, the RERA possession date scheduled for this project is March 2030.
If you would like to know the pros and cons of properties like this on 80 plus key parameters, then click on the link given in the description box and register for a guided home buying program where we'll be helping you find the right home that fits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications because we'll be taking you through 40 days of navigating North Bangalore real estate market with expert guidance.